All right, this is going to be the second video. The first video, I showed you how to register in Grace Community from my Team Aquila link, where we receive all the information already in the matrix. I had to click on this link, and once I clicked on the link, I received the registration, and I've registered my wife in this account. Now, I need to do the next payment, which is going to be, now the first payment in the subscription, I did the $9 only. So I need now to do the payment of the $120. In order to do that, I'm not going to go this way. I'm going to go via the crypto wallet. All right, so I'm going to use, now I'm using, again, the Bitcoin Smart Chain. It is by default also lying in the Bitcoin Smart Chain, so I know I cannot make faults. So I click on the Bitcoin Smart Chain. I activate my chain wallet. I'm selecting the Bitcoin. And there you guys can see, I have now my wallet in order to transfer funds from my wallet, from my exchange wallet over to this, over to my Bitcoin wallet, to my Grace wallet, sorry. Okay, so what I need to do, I'm going to copy. You can press copy address. I go to my wallet. I'm going to click on USDT. I'll paste that address in here. OX2C and 973. You always go and check OX2 C393. You always go and check. I'm going to put the Bitcoin. Now, you need to know that I need to have a minimum of $125 into that account. I'm going to put $2 extra in there, 127, just to show you at the end of the day what is there. I'm going to say you can put a screen mark in here if you need to. It's optional. I'm going to submit. Again, I just double check OX2C 973. I am on a Bitcoin Smart Chain. Go and check there. It is like that. So I'll do my withdrawal. I submit it. And again, you need to do your, what's the name? Your verification. I go, press, get my code. People, there's difference from person to person, how you did your setup of your wallet. I do a withdrawal request, I check, copy, proof of payment. And in my case, I always use the 2FA application, the Authy. This is not only to protect myself, because we've got a cruel world out there. 7. So what I'm using is the Authy, and every 30 seconds, my PIN code changes. There, it's been done. I've done my, track my status here. Now this is becoming very important. I need to get a confirmation that this transaction is complete. This is where most of the people is making faults in the Grace wallet, where they're not waiting for this withdrawal to be successful. You need to wait for your withdrawal to be successful. Sometimes it takes 2 minutes, sometimes it takes 15 seconds. It can go up to 15 minutes. You just need to be patient. Remember, it always depends on how busy the Bitcoin is on the system. So let me check. It is still pending. I also haven't received the email yet. You will get a withdrawal successful like that. You need this, very important. At the end of the day, if your transaction does not go through, you need to use this transaction to be clicked on, and this TX ID, you're going to need it for support. Okay. There you guys can see my withdrawal was successful. I've got my TX ID, and now, only now, after I received the email, that I've got confirmation. And you can also go and check. If I go refresh my wallet here, I will be seeing withdrawal is successful. Now, only then you can go and click on the recall scanner, because you can see my funds is not in here. I click on the recall scanner, and there the deposit is in. I click on Binance, there my funds is in. Now what do I need to do? The last step, I'm gonna activate my profile in the matrix. So I go to subscriptions, I click on the $120. I'm gonna say now pay with crypto wallet, because I've now done the payment in my crypto wallet. Click on payment. You will see the amount is $120. There's a crypto fee of $5. That's why we always tell, if you have not enough money, this payment system will not come through. You can click on confirm payment. Now you're going to receive on your email a code. I just want to check here quickly the code. I received the code in basically seconds after my, I say confirm payment. And there you can see I've got an active subscription. If I click on my dashboard, there it is also, my funds is through. Now, what the beauty of the system is, and what the beauty is of Team Aquila, if you go and check onto your genealogy, if I click on my genealogy, it's always just a bit slow. Please be patient again. There you will see. This is where my wife is. And if you go and look in Team Aquila now, the information that we've got there, there is me and above. Look at this advantage that we've got in here. I can see my upline, the people up me, below me. This is a very transparent system, and it correlates with the people that is coming into the system. I know now, I do not have to guess who's my upline. I can communicate with my upline. I can communicate with the people all here in the communication channel. In here, we can speak to each other. There am I can do everything. We can talk, we can chat, we can help each other. And if you further go onto the dashboard here, you will see there will be training coming in, the resources. People, this is just an excellent system. What can I say? And I'm on my way to earn my million.